Hello again, this is Dave Erickson reporting from Tempe in the 2012 Ironman Arizona. I'm inside Tempe Beach Park. This is the site of T1, T2, and all the excitement of the Ironman Village. So today is Friday, and here are the sights and sounds of the Ironman Village.
2350, and it comes in the backpack.
2350. Yes.
There you go. Have a good race.
Thank you.
For the compression thing. In the time of year, if it's early in the year, I definitely join everybody else's big crazy.
So I thought I'd come back, just get some points for planning for next year. Fell just a little bit short, so that's about it.
Whoever it was, but I was like, I can't talk right now. I'm in the well. Catch you at the finish.
Remember, we'll have live coverage of this weekend's event, including live text updates, athlete tracking, as well as a video camera from the finish line right here on Ironman.com. Until next time, this is Dave Erickson reporting from the 2012 Ironman Arizona.